What's good, everybody? Today I'm here to talk to you about Fuel. This is another solution built for Ethereum. It's rollup centric, or it is an multi. Wait, let me just take a look at it. And so here we go. Okay, so it's a parallel. Fuel rollups will have a parallel and state minimized execution. So kind of like Monad in that way, and cross-chain interoperability. Whew. All right, so it uses the Sway language instead of Go or something that is also very popular at the moment. And so what are field points? This is why we are here, right? So we're helping the network grow, and they need liquidity for the network, and we get the rewards for doing that. Who can participate? United States, Syria, North Korea, Iran, Crimea, and Cuba. I'm sorry you guys are out, but there might be other ways. Wink, wink, notch, notch. So let me take a look. The link to this website will be in the description. Earn field points by depositing accepted assets. There's a wide variety of assets that you can deposit, and here they are, a lot. All right, so what I'm really interested in is the points and how you get the points. So you can earn 1, 2, 3 points per day based on the USD value of what you deposit, or in 2x. That's what I really want. 2xers, there we go. So if you deposit 1,000, you get 2,000 worth of points. And I'm gonna go for this easy ETH over here. And I feel like I looked at the Dune dashboard, and a lot of people deposit that, so I feel like it is safe. Smart contracts over here, it was audited. All right, looks fine to me. Oh, there's no minimum deposit, and you can withdraw anytime you want. However, if you withdraw, you lose your points, I think. Points may also be forfeited due to violations, And what happens at Fuel mainnet launch? You will be asked to bridge your deposits to the Fuel mainnet. So remember, we're helping them with liquidity. If we don't do so, in 14 days, we lose our points. So stay subscribed and follow me on Twitter, and I will let you know when the time comes. So it will continue after the launch, yada, yada, yada. And might be unable to access the points program. So here we go. Some countries are not eligible, but I'm sure with there are workarounds to that if you really want to. All right, so let's take a look at the top contributors. And so we're going to go to the deposit page, and here you can see if you take a look at the total value locked, it's low, and the wide variety of tokens that you can deposit. Don't deposit more than you feel comfortable with. This is a deposit contract, and I would rather not go for depositing straight ETH. I would go for something like this, because if there's an exploit, ETH is the easiest to withdraw. So I'm looking for the PZ ETH. No, I want to find the easy ETH, Renzo restaked ETH. Here we go. And the price. All right, so here we have it. Renzo restaked ETH. There we go. And I want to see this compared to ETH. Looks okay. If you're putting in a small chunk, it's not too bad. Just remember, our points are based on the USD value locked, so it fluctuates with the price of ETH. If you want something more stable, you can go for the stable coins, but there's no 2x for a lot of the popular stable coins. Let's see. Small delta, small premium, but all right, so I think I'm gonna go for this and go to Uniswap. Uniswap has a small fee, so I recommend that you use a different one, but that's up to you. So connect on Ethereum main chain. Just remember that I'm leaving some for gas, some ETH for gas here. So I'm gonna put about, if I round it down to about $1,000 in. Now I played around with the gas a little bit and trying to take for the confirms. Oh boy. See, this is why I think as a newbie, and if you come and you see this and it takes so long compared to Solana, it's not looking good. So they're trying to abstract away the layer 1 by creating a lot of layer 2s and other solutions. So let's see. I hope they're successful. I wish these guys the best. But just talking about the project, if you compare the TVL and the TVL to other similar projects, this is underformed. They took their first snapshot of testnets and I missed it, to be honest. I did the initial one, the videos on my channel long ago, about a year ago, and they did a second one and I missed that one. All right, so here we go. We have transaction complete. We have our easy ETH. Let's go to our deposit page and deposit. And I think I've got the wrong, all right, deposit. Here you can see, summarize everything next and I'll deposit it. Let me just, it's not showing up. I think I'm gonna refresh the page. There we go. It's there. Deposited. Boom, boom. Next deposit max. So I think, so it does show faster than 24 hours. Like they say, in 24 hours you'll see your points and you'll see your assets there, but it does take a few hours and then you'll see it, so don't worry about waiting for so long. Let me just lowball the gas here. Don't really have to, like 20 cents difference. What was that? Almost, let's say 30 cents difference. Doesn't make that much of a difference on Ethereum main chain. Remember making swaps for $20 to $50. So 20 cents, not a biggie. And the wait continues. At least the birds outside are having a good time. Anywho, so if you want to finish the video and follow along with me, the steps are, you have to first grant permission to use it, and then you have to deposit it. So 2 transactions, and then in a couple of hours you can see your points gardening. But yeah, that's it. The links are in the description down below. There are also some links if you want to help me out. That would help a lot. For the guys that want to stay with me, I'll talk you through it. So right now we're waiting at the confirmation screen, waiting for the blockchain to process the transaction. Well, it's not a transaction, it is approval. There we go. Yikes, and it's taking very long. To the guys that stay here, I appreciate you joining. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. The more subscribers I get, the more likes. It motivates me to keep making these videos and to keep helping you guys out. Let's get this. All right, so remember I did lowball the gas, so that's why it's taking so long. And it was not approved, it was canceled. All right, so this time, I am not going to do this. It sucks. I don't want to wait anymore. All right, so approve it. And then, come on, MetaMask. Let's go for the regular old gas. All right. Gas does fluctuate during the week. On certain weekend days, you can get them cheaper. So remember, if you are a farmer of airdrops, you want to have organic transactions on ETH main chain for your wallets. So try and time your transactions on weekends and try and get a couple of transactions, especially if you are using a fresh wallet. And then if you want me to cover anything, drop it in the descriptions. If you have some alpha for me, that'd be cool. There we go. Okay, so that was the approval. And next one, we have to do the old deposit. All right, close the extension. So like I said, this Easy ETH is the most popular deposit at the moment. And well, it's 2x multiplier, so you double your capital. Basically, it's a 2x on long on the points. And I'm not gonna fudge with the fees again. I don't want to wait and get a failed transaction. So I'm just gonna take the standard fee. So it's a 2x on your deposit. Generally, if we take a look at what Linea is doing, it looks like they are more allocating more points to liquidity providers than what they did to the people doing the quests. So if Field does the same, this could be a good opportunity for us. And remember, these guys need our liquidity to be successful, that is. So it's a win-win. Oh, sorry for the wait. Okay. If you are farming scroll, just remember to try and get as many badges as you can if you're not a whale that can deposit a lot of liquidity. If you want a guide on that, I'll let you know soon. All right, here we go. We are finally done. Yikes, and it took forever. All right, done. Go to leaderboard, you can see them, but I'm just gonna scroll up. So later you can see, okay, there's my total value locked. And in a couple of hours, I can see my points and they will start to tick up. That's it. Thank you for watching.